Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. I want to explain tutorial for number 7. Okay, so the information given is the vertical sensitivity or voltage per division is 100 millivolt for 1 cm. So each division represents 1 cm, meaning that for vertical axis, okay, so each box represent 100 millivolts, and the switch speed is set at 2 milliseconds over 1 cm, meaning that for x-axis or for horizontal axis, so each division represent 2 milliseconds. The question is to find the peak-to-peak amplitude Vp, or peak-to-peak is VPP, not VP. VP is VP is peak amplitude only. Okay, and the frequency represent the heart rate. So the question is to find the peak-to-peak, meaning that from peak to peak, and the frequency. Frequency is 1/time, so we have to find the time for one cycle first. So how to find the peak-to-peak voltage? So you notice the peak to peak, meaning that from here to here. Okay, this is the lowest peak, this is the highest peak. So how many division? 1, 2, and 0.5, meaning that 2.5. So 2.5 times 100 milli. Okay, so that's the peak-to-peak value. How about the time? Time is 1 cycle. Okay, so the cycle is, okay, up to you. You may make it or mark it from here to here, okay, or from this point, okay, to this point, or from this point to this point. Okay, so let's count. Let's say I mark from here to here, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Half here and half here, so 7. 7 times 2 milli, and then we get time or period for one cycle. And then how to find the frequency? 1/time. That's all. Thank you very much.